Hello everyone, it's Ask Chef channel and Chef Stas is back with you. We went to country house and it is time for barbecue. And today I would like to share with you one of my favorite marinades for pork kebabs and also give you a few tips and tricks on how to make great kebabs. So let's start cooking. For pork kebabs I prefer to take a pork neck as the muscle don't work so much and the meat remains tender. And there is also enough fat so that kebabs don't dry out during cooking. Of course we trim off large pieces of fat, and there are also connective tissues in the neck, look like white films. We remove them if possible. It is better not to cut the kebabs too large, it will be difficult to cook it all the way through. Perfect size for me is a matchbox. Also try to cut all pieces of meat the same way, then the cooking time for each piece of kebab on the skewer will be the same. In the process of cutting, continue to trim excess fat and tissues. If it happens that the connective tissue is in the middle of the piece, then it is better to leave it there, otherwise we'll get two small pieces that can be easily dried out. After dealing with raw meat, wash your hands and equipment with soap. For the marinade for 1.5 kilograms of meat, we take 3 medium onions, peel, thinly slice in half rings, add to the meat. Then clean 4 cloves of garlic, crush them with the side of the knife and add to the meat. Season with salt. Adding 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce is a great addition to the marinade, be sure to try it. Pour 100 milliliters of vegetable oil, it will help to combine all the tastes and aromas in the marinade. And at the end add a couple of tablespoons of pomegranate sauce, it will give the meat an imperceptible but pleasant sourness. Squeeze the onion with garlic with hands so that they give more juice and aroma. After that, mix the ingredients thoroughly. Cover with a lid, put in the fridge for at least 3 hours and preferably overnight. So it is time to grill the kebab. Let's make a fire in the grill. Make sure that all the coals are busy. We need to maintain the heat in the coals. Our goal is to evenly cover the coals with a coating of white ash. Then the heat will be moderate and the meat will not burn too quickly. After that, it is no longer necessary to fan the coals. While the coals are burning, we need to put the meat on the skewer. Remove the onion so that it doesn't burn. It has already done its job. Skewer the meat so that the thickness of the kebab is the same all the way. And put it over the fire on the grill, or on a couple of bricks. Awesome! Turn the kebabs every 30 seconds so that the meat cooks evenly and doesn't burn. Don't get distracted. And do not allow coals to catch fire, carefully drizzle them with water if it happens. If the heat from the coals is uneven, we need to periodically rotate skewers until the meat is properly cooked and acquires a beautiful golden brown color. Check the readiness by cutting a large piece with a knife. When it is done, remove from the fire. Bon appetit! The kebab turned out to be delicious, chef won't give you bad advice. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Bye bye!